Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome cake with some meat and cabbage. It sounds delicious and it tastes delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll have to cut some cabbage. After, you have to put it in a bowl and add some salt and mix it with your hands. Then put it into the pan that has been heated up with some oil and fry it for about 3 minutes while mixing it. Then let it sit. While it's cooking, let's cut some mushrooms. 300 grams of mushrooms that I'm using, I'll be cutting in small pieces. And proceeding to fry them. When it's all done and you don't have any water, add some oil and some salt. And pepper, of course, and fry them. Then let's chop an onion and fry it. Until it's bright golden. Then add half of a kilogram of meat while mixing it. Then add some salt and pepper. Add some butter into your baking form. Put some cabbage at the first layer, then some meat, then some mushrooms, and on top cabbage. Meanwhile, let's put 2 eggs into a bowl, 3 of yogurt, and then some salt, and mixing it. 50 grams of cheese, and we add it into the mixture and mix it. And you have to add it on top to finish up the cake. Put it to the oven in about 100 Celsius for about 20 minutes. When it's all done, you have to let it cool down, or you can eat it when it's hot. Please enjoy this recipe and try to make it because it's delicious, and I hope you made and enjoyed it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and give it a like to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.